You might be hearing some chatter about private investments in the investment world right now, but here are a few things you should know before jumping in. Private investments include private credit, which is lending money to companies who are looking for loans outside of traditional bank offerings, and private equity, which is investing in companies that are not traded on public stock exchanges. The challenging and evolving financial landscape, as well as increased correlation between stocks and bonds, has meant that institutional investors like pensions are now including some private investments in their portfolios. Private investments provide diversification and can improve returns. These private investments can support the economy too by supporting startups, driving innovation, and fostering economic development. Private assets are becoming more accessible to a broader range of investors because now they are being included in some retail investment products such as mutual funds. When you're considering whether or not to include private investments in your portfolio, it's important that you also understand some of the risks. Private assets cannot be easily resold. They should be considered a long-term investment. It can take years to see any return on your investment, apart from the monthly or quarterly liquidity payouts. Private investments are not subject to the same disclosure requirements as publicly traded securities, so this can mean it's difficult to assess the value of your investment and difficult to know how your investment is doing. The experience, skill level, and underwriting discipline of the asset manager is critical. Careful selection of the asset manager is key to securing top private deals. The fees for private investments are higher than for traditional investments such as mutual funds, and many private investments use leverage, which can increase the returns, but it also adds additional risk. Reach out to your financial advisor to find out more about private investments and to find out if they would be suitable for your investment portfolio. As always, I have posted several articles on this topic on our website, kccuwealth.ca.